Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your EVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we discussed? Yes, our FA1 revision. Am I right, children? Yes, in this topic, already we finished our first lesson. Our lesson 1 already we finished. So today what we are going to know about our second lesson. Already textbook part I explained you in the last video only. So today I am going to explain the workbook part. Go and bring your workbook. Yes, this is your look and learn workbook part 1 and your EVS notes and your rough book with you. Sharp your pencil, eraser and sharpener with you. Keep everything with you. Okay. So in that page number 6 about today we are going to start our lesson 2 my family members. My family members. Yes. So in this workbook part I am going to explain you. I will just revise once. So what is the first question, children? Here page number 6. The first question. What is that one? WHAT. What? ARE. YOUR. Your. FATHERS. Fathers. PARENTS. Parents. CALLED. Called. What are your father's parents called? What are your father's parents called? Your father's parents called. Their options are there. A. UNCLES. Uncles. B. GRAND. Grand. PARENTS. Grandparents. Option C. COUSINS. Cousins. Option D. SIBLINGS. Siblings. So what are your father's parents called? You are having father. Your father's parents, what we call him? As uncles? No. Grandparents? Cousins? No. Siblings? No. So what are your father's parents called? Option B. Grandparents. Yes. Your parents, your father's parents or mother parents also we can call them as grandparents. Option B. Grandparents. GRAND. Grand. PARENTS. Grandparents. Second question. Next. WHAT. What? DOD. WEVCALL. Call. OUR. Our. UNCLES. Uncles. AND. And. AUNTS. Aunts. CHILDREN. Children. What do we call our uncles and aunts, children? What do we call them? Uncle and aunts, children? Down options are there. A. COUSINS. Cousins. Option B. SIBLINGS. Siblings. Option C. BROTHERS. Brothers. Option D. SISTERERS. Sisters. What do we call our uncles and aunts, children? Uncle and aunt are having children, that we call them as cousins or siblings or brothers and sisters. Siblings ante evaramma? Yes, if you are having a brother or sister, we can call them as siblings. Brother is nothing but your brother. Your annaya. Me annayani emantam, brother antam. Sister ante మీ చెల్లి లేదా అక్క. బ్రదర్ అంటే అన్నయ్య లేదా తమ్ముడు. మరి కజిన్స్ అంటే ఎవరు? Yes, here cousins are nothing but uncle and aunt children. Uncle and aunt's children. So what is the option? Option A. Uncle and aunt's children, we can call them as cousins. Cousins. Yes, note down children. So your father's parent or mother's parent, we can call them as grandparents. What is the spelling of grandparents? G-R-A-N-D. Grand. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Grandparents. Next, what do we call our uncles and aunts? Children. Uncles and aunts children, we can call them as cousins. We can call them as cousins. What is the spelling of cousins? C-O-U-S-I-N-S. Again I am repeating, C-O-U-S-I-N-S. Cousins. Next, third one. A-L-L. All. Dash. A-R-E-R. R-E-L-A-T-E-D. Related. T-O-2. E-A-C-H. Each. O-T-H-E-R. Other. All dash are related to each other. Options. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. M-E-M-B-E-R-S. Family members. Or F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. Family members or friends. Who are related to each other? Friends are related to each other? No. Who are related? Family members. So third one is family members. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. M-E-M-B-E-R-S. Family members. Here, who are family members? Your parents, mother, father, brother, sister, all these are coming under family members. Right, children? Understand? Next, fourth one. Up to here, all of you understand? Who are related to each other? All family members are related to each other. Next, fourth one. Y-O-U-R. Your. B-R-O-T-H-E-R-S. Brothers. A-N-D. And. S-I-S-T-E-R-S. Sisters. A-R-E-R. Y-O-U-R. Your. Dash. Your brothers and sisters are your. Your brothers and sisters are your siblings or cousins. Down options are there. Siblings or cousins. Your brothers and sisters are your, yes, siblings. Your brothers and sisters, we can call them as siblings. So what is the fourth one answer? S-I-B-L-I-N-G-S. Siblings. S-I-B-L-I-N-G-S. Siblings. Note down, children. Note down fast. Next. All of you understand these 4 questions? Next. Fifth one. Very short answers. C-I-S-O-N-U. Next, fifth one. C-I-S-O-N-U. C-I-S-O-N-U. So what we have to do from this hints? You have to write the correct word. Down hints are there. Aunt, uncle, father. I will write here the hints also. Then you can write it easily. Yes, children. What are those hints? Yes, what is the next one? Fifth one is, here I'm going to write the hints. Aunt, uncle, father, mother. Here these are the hints he gave. So from these hints, what we have to write the fifth one? CISONU. What is the spelling? Tell me the correct one. Yes. From here, what you can observe? Yes, children. All these are our family members only. Here it is not there. Aunt, uncle, father, mother, like that. So who is another family member here? Cousin. Who is here? Cousin. So what is the spelling of cousin? COUSIN. Cousin. So cousin also our family member. Yes, children. What is the spelling of cousin? COUSIN. 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 USIN. Cousin. Next, sixth one. LEUCN. From this hint, so who is this family member? LEUCN. Write it in a correct order. Yes, he is nothing but your uncle. 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 Write down, children, these two spellings. Write down. Yes, write down fast. Next. So what is the spelling of cousin? Here it is a jumbled one. You have to write it in a correct order. What is the spelling of cousin? I will give you like this. You have to write this spelling in your FA1 exam. What is the spelling? COUSIN. Cousin. Yes, these are examples only. I will ask any of your family members, maybe aunt, uncle, father, mother, anyone. Okay. So what is the spelling? Cousins. COUSIN. 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 Next, the second one is uncle. Second one is uncle. 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 Next, seventh one. WHAT. What? DOD. What do? YOU. What do you? CALL. Call. AGROUP. Group. OF. PEOPLE. People. WHO. Who? RELATED. Related. TO. EACH. Each. OTHER. Other. What do you call a group of people who are related to each other? What do we call? A group of people who are related to each other, we can call them as a family. What is the answer, children? A group of people who are related to each other, we can call them as a family. What it is? A group of people who are related to each other is a family. Again, repeat it along with me. A group of people who are related to each other is a family. So, what is the spelling of family? Family. Again, repeat it along with me, children. Family. 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 Next, match the following. You have to do the matching here. Here, if I gave the picture of this one, what is this picture? Yes, who is she? With a board? Yes, with a bird. With a board. What she is doing? Who is she? Can you recognize her? Yes, she is a, here with what you have to match? Observe this matching carefully. Yes, this one you have to match with doctor. Is she a doctor? Doctor amma, board to unte doctor antara? No. Yes, next one. Teacher. Teacher is the correct one? Yes. So, who will use the board? Teacher will use the board. So, you can do matching with teacher. You can do the matching with teacher. Next. Second one, ninth one. Here, yes, a white coat is there. He is wearing a white coat. A stethoscope also there. And baby is also there. Yes. So, who is he? See here. We have to match from here. So, doctor, is it true? Is he a doctor? Yes. So, we can match the second picture with doctor, right? Next option, next one is 10th. Here what this woman is doing here, cleaning the house and keeping the clothes in a proper way, everything. So who is she? Here engineer? No. Homemaker? Yes, homemaker is the right answer. So we have to do the matching from here to here. Next one. Here one girl is there with a helmet and she is having some plan papers like that. So what we call her? Already doctor over, teacher over. So what is there? Yes, engineer. So engineer will do the planning, everything to construct the new building or houses. Yes. So we have to do matching the picture with engineer. All of you understand this matching, children? Yes. If they give the pictures like that, you have to do the matching like this. Understand? Yes. Next, short answer question, that is the 12th one. Now I will explain you the 12th one. All of you understand the matching also? Yes. What is the 12th question, children? Read it once. Dash are the people who, 12th one. Here first he gave the blank. In that blank we have to write the answer. Yes. Next. He gave the options. Artists or doctors. Artists, doctors. A-R-E are the P-E-O-P-L-E people. W-H-O who. P-A-I-N-T, paint, or T-E-A-C-H, teach. The two are the options: dance, sing, and so on. So tell me children, here who will, he gave the options: artist or doctor are the people who paint or teach. That means who dance, sing and so on. Who will do the dancing, singing and so on? Who will do? Doctor will dance or doctor will sing? No. Who will sing here? Artist. So, what is the answer here? In the first blank, you have to write the spelling of artist. What is the spelling of artist? A-R-T-I-S-T-S. Artist. A-R, write down children. T-I-S-T-S. Artist. Next. People who paint or teach. What they will do? Paint or teach? Yes. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. Dance. Sing. And so on. All of you understand, children, these 12 questions? Artists are the people who paint, dance, sing and so on. These 12 questions you have to practice in your rough for one time. This is the homework for you. Tomorrow we will discuss the remaining questions. Okay children? All of you understand? Yes. Thank you children. Bye bye.